Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today I've got a box opening. Before we get to that, you'll see that I am still wearing that Spinnaker Bradner. And I will put that promo code and link to Spinnaker in the notes below. If you want to check them out and save yourself 20%, use promo code WATCHIN. So let's open this up and see what we got. I'm glad I didn't super tear into this because it looks like it's just wrapped with bubble wrap around the actual watch box here. So it's a good thing I didn't cut this one with my blade. Sometimes you got to be a little careful of what people are sending you and how they package it. If you see, I've got another Spinnaker here. I am really loving this watch company lately. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Like usual, I will do I'll wear this one, get to know it a little bit, and do a follow-up video later on. SpinnakerWatches.com, hashtag Spinnaker. All right, let's take a look here. There's a lot of plastic on this one. Let me see if I can get some of this off before we get too deep into it. May just pause really quick if I can't get it off that easy. Whew. All right, we'll leave what's on the bracelet there. Spinnaker automatic. Spinnaker watches to wind your automatic. I like that green. That is really cool. So that's a SP-5058-11. Sapphire crystal automatic. You know what? It's been a while since I looked at this, so I actually need to pause really quick and look this watch up because I don't remember the name on it. I kind of hoped that the card right there was going to refresh it for me. So I'm going to pause really quick, pull the rest of the plastic off, and get a little more info. All right, sorry about that, guys. Not embarrassing at all when you can't remember the name of the watch. So this is the Croft, and the exact model number of that one is the SP-5058-11. So the Croft, I know they offer with the bracelet or a leather strap. You see we got a display case back. The bracelet is actually pretty nice. It's not just a cheap stamped, so it's pretty thick. Nice solid links. We got solid end links up there. Logoed crown. Got Spinnaker on the buckle. I really like that color green, and more I'm digging this kind of antiqued color to the loom. We've got a nice magnification window. Looks like it pops the date really well. We got small second hands, which I think is pretty cool as well. Little bit of dome on it. We got a unidirectional rotating bezel. So far, I am really digging the look on this one. Let me throw it on wrist really quick so we can just kind of get an idea on what this one looks like. Definitely, I'm sure I'm going to need to size it, and I'll let you know how many links I have to remove to fit me. But that's how that Croft looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I am digging this one. I like green, and that one's a darker green. It seems like a lot are kind of a bright green. A lot of watches, but that's a nice dark green. I would guess I'm going to have to remove at least 4 links and maybe play with the micro adjustments if that gives you guys an idea on what wrist size this would potentially fit. But stay tuned. I will do my usual. This one will get some wrist time, and I will do a follow-up. If you like the look of this one, I know this one is on their site right now for $400, but like I said in the last video, there's still that promo code that you can use, WATCHIN20, and I will put that in the show notes below. Save yourself some money. I am digging this one. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.